Hey guys, let's see how you can view your Tapo C211 on a computer using the VLC software. I have the camera already working here on my cell phone using the Tapo app, and then I'm going to use the RTSP protocol and the VLC software back there to watch the live video from the camera, okay? So here you see that the camera is working on your Tapo app. You need to have the camera working like this, and then you come here to the menu and go to Advanced Settings. And here you just need to enable an account. This is a local account for the camera, which is different from your Tapo account, okay? It's local. So I come here and enable the account. The first time that you do this, is gonna see something popping up and just with some information about the account and about the RTSP protocol, right? So I just come here to create a username and a password. I'm gonna use this one, Tapo C211 admin, right? You can create any username that you want. And here with the password, I'm gonna use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, just to make it simple for this video, all right? So verify, and I'm good to go with this information here for the user and password, okay? So I come back here, and on network settings, I just put it here, static IP, so I can have this IP address always for this camera. This IP address is given by the router to my camera, but now I'm making it static so it doesn't change. So I'm good to go. I just save here, and now I can come to the software and have access to the camera via VLC, all right? So basically here, let me just come back to the main screen that you see that's working fine. And let's just come to the computer here and then check the VLC software, VLC Media Player. You can download this from the internet, it's a free software. Then you can come here to Media, open Network Stream. And here you're gonna type this command, RTSP // the camera IP, in this case is 10.0.0.117. Let me just double check here if I got the correct one. Again, here on Advanced Settings, Network Settings, okay? 10.0.0.117. It may be different for your camera, of course, right? So just come back here to continue, and then here I type stream 1, okay? As long as you have your computer in the same network, let me just double check here that I have the network. That's the one that I'm using here, and it's different from the one that I'm using here on the camera. So let me just double check. Here you see that I have this, my Wi-Fi -24. That's my main router, and I need to connect to the same one, right? So it can work fine, right? Let me just change here the Wi-Fi to the other one here. There we go, that's the one. I'll just connect. Now it's connected to the correct one, so basically to the same Wi-Fi, and I have the command here, and I just hit play. And now I just need to enter the username and password. Remember that I have here for the camera account this username and password. Let me just type here. So that'll be Tapo C211 admin. And remember the password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just hit OK. Hit allow. And it's working. See, it's streaming directly here to the software, to the VLC software. Okay, so working pretty fine. I cannot control via the VLC. This is just for streaming. Okay, it's a protocol for real-time streaming. Hence the name, real-time streaming protocol, right? So I can just come back here to the camera, and I can control from here. So if you have a PTZ camera, it's not a good idea just to use a VLC if you want to have like the PTZ control. But with fixed camera that don't have PTZ control, it's good, right? So I can just move the camera from its original position, and you see that it works back there as well. A little bit of latency, but that's okay. It works pretty fine, okay? so it's responding. Basically, you can have your Tapo C211 working on a PC using the VLC software, okay? There are other ways to view the camera on a PC. You can also use the same software that you use here, back there, or the same app, right? I have another video here in the channel. I'll leave the link in the card, right? So in the final card, so you can have access to the same video or to the same app that I have to watch the camera live and also control from your computer. I hope that helps. So give your thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next one.